All right, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. And the rain is falling outside of Portmore, so my assumption is that the entire Jamaica should be flooding because rain don't necessarily fall over here. Don't necessarily. Like maybe 2 times for the month, but and whenever it does, I think it's more likely all island rain. A lot of football playing today, where schoolboy football is concerned, but we're not here for that. We're gonna speak about Shamar Nicholson. Now, as most of you guys would have known, Shamar Nicholson would come under a lot of scrutiny. I mean, a lot of scrutiny, for many different factors, i.e., not performing well, not scoring, especially in the Gold Cup, in the last couple of Nation League squad, not have the highest standard. He missed quite a lot of chance in the game that we played against Haiti. So he would come under a lot of scrutiny, for those aspects. Not only that, I think many of the fans kind of slightly turn away from him solely because we have had the likes of Mikel Antonio and those type of players. So he's coming under a lot, and I mean a lot of scrutiny where performances are concerned. Hey, check this. Oof. Good. Now, in the past maybe a few weeks, since he has joined Clarence Foot in the French Liga, his performances has definitely stepped up. Maybe change the environment, maybe a aspect of confidence. We saw he played against PSG, putting a resounding performance. That game dry, didn't score, but his link-up play, his hold-up play, and getting in the strikers, getting in the wingers into the game was very crucial for his team and how they want to approach that game. As I said, he didn't score, but he contributed where that is concerned. And you could see those moments, just those small moments, would show that something is happening. He is definitely taking a turn. Now, yesterday he played against Montpellier, and certainly he registered 2 assists. The game was abandoned because there was a big chaos. A lot of assists happening in that game, and the game ended up had to be abandoned. The game actually was close to final minutes, and I think they abandoned the game. I'm not sure if they're going to even continue to play. Maybe about 3 to 2 minutes was left in added time. But certainly, his performance is now significantly improved, and I like what I'm seeing. That he wasn't really starting the first aspects of it. Now he's starting as a regular for the team. And today, well, not today, yesterday, he registered a double assist. So let me just run through the stats of his performance for you guys, so you guys can know what really happened. Before I do that, please, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. I would really appreciate it if you do so. Now, first goal registered in the 26th minutes to Johan McGinn. Second goal on the 45th minute to Cherik Omar Kanate. So those are the 2 assists that he registered. So he actually finished the game with actually the highest match ratings on his team with 8.0 according to 365 score. And the closest to him was actually 7.2. So that's actually good. That's really good to see. Statistics now, 2 assists. Total shots, 2 shots on target, 2. So that's good. Key passes, 2. Big chance created, 1. Pass completion, 92%. Dribbles complete, 50%. Touches, 33 touches. Will fall twice. Also in the defensive aspect of his game, he made 1 clearance. Only won 4 out of 11 ground duels, so that's kind of an area that he needs to work on. And won 1 out of 17 aerial, 1 out of 7 aerial duels. And I do think that he should be winning more because he's a tall guy. They're like 6'4", 6'5", huge player. So I expect him to even win a bit more of that. But all in all, I do think that his game is getting significantly better as time comes. I do understand, and one of the reasons I saw that you would say that his performances in the Nation League, the couple of games in the Nation League in the other day was so poor is because I do think that because he wasn't playing, he wasn't in preseason, wasn't trained, and then he came back to play the Nation League games. You could see that he was not much sharp. He was moving as he didn't even look fit. You can see that maybe he gained a bit of weight, but certainly looking fitter, he's looking sharper, making proper decision, better decision in the final third. And I wish that he could bring that composure and form and match sharpness into the next upcoming Nation League games. Anyways, big up yourself, Shamar. Big up yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. And that has been just a recent update on Shamar Nicholson. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We are out.